Hello again, everyone. Hopefully you're all feeling well coming off of that third exam. I know that one's a little bit stressful, but we're finally just about done here. We've only got a little bit more to go. Where for this week, we're moving into Chapter 8. We're skipping 8.1. That's extra credit for you guys. It's more on that slight silliness about the z-score things, so that's left off. And we're going to jump straight to 8.2, which talks about testing for the difference between independent means. That is, we're checking to see if there's any change going from one mean to another between two data sets that maybe are connected but do not have a direct dependence relationship on each other, where the big thing we have to pay attention to there is whether or not the data we're working with is pooled. And I'll explain what pooled means. For us, it's mostly about whether or not we assume equality in terms of variance behavior, but anyway, that's the main thing we're looking at there. And then in 8.3, we have another set of comparison tests to make there for dealing with dependent means. And I'll say with these ones in particular, the math gets really clunky if you're going to do it by hand. So we're going to see how to do this stuff in the calculator almost exclusively. I'll show some of the details for by hand computations. Don't do that. It's not worth your time. Anyway, for this week, we have a worksheet that is due on, I think I still have that set for Friday, but I might want to adjust that for the fact that it's Veterans Day. So, no, Friday's not Veterans Day. Thursday is. The timing's a little bit different because that's a study day and we're not meeting. We'll see if that ends up changing. I'll let you know. Then we also have a pre-assessment for next week and some MyLab deadlines as well in that week. We're following fairly close to standard scheduling, even though they were a little bit off because of our first day off in months. It's throwing off my internal timing too. Don't worry too much about that, but I'm sure you'll be happy for the 4-day weekend when we get there. Anyway, we're just going to keep moving on here. We're going to keep going with Chapter 8. Got Chapter 9 right after that, and then we're finished. So let's get this stuff done as best we can. I'll see you all in there.